Alright, hi everybody, this is Jim with YouTube user JimLiElevators, and today we're doing a hotel room tour of the Hilton Anatole Hotel in Dallas, Texas. That whooshing sound you heard over there are the elevators. And there goes the chime. You can see all the way down there. Look at that. I really like this hallway, but anyways, the room that we're in is 6163. Anyways, we will take this car right here. Alright, so as you enter this room, as you can see here, you got your deadbolts, so that way no one can enter the room, especially when you're sleeping overnight. This right here is your hotel evacuation plan. I'm not sure if you're able to see it well. But that's all there is. Anyways, there's your lock right there, so that way you can't get inside. And this right here is your extra security, so that way the door won't open from the outside. Alright, I'm going to leave it open so my roommate can come inside. Anyways, look in the mirror. Hi. You see right here, you got your closet and the door squeaks. That's your ironing board right there. And I don't see an iron anywhere, but these right here are your clothes hangers. Oh, there's your iron right there. See, you got your iron and then an ironing board. Anyways, this right here is your safe. And it won't shut, unfortunately. And you got your drawers, which is empty. Here, your extra pillows. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and close the door. Oh, I forgot to show that right there is your suitcase stand. Alright, now we're going to look at this bathroom right here. You got your sink. Look in the mirror. Hi. And there's another sink right here for my roommate. I'm not going to mess around with it. So, yeah. Anyways, this right here is your commode. It's a Crane Plumbing. And if you like, I can flush it for you on camera. It took a while to die out. But anyways, this right here is your shower. You got the bathtub right here. And you got your shower head. I'll demonstrate it to you. See that sort of bathtub right there? And if you pull this, shower. Which, speaking of shower, almost got a little bit wet. I'm going to indeed shower up as soon as I finish this hotel room tour. Well, you got your door right here. Oh, forgot to show the curtain. See, you got your arch shower curtain right there. Look at that light. I really like that light. Anyways, as we continue on, you got your coffee and a coffee maker. And I wonder what's inside here. Oh, you got a fridge. See, there's your fridge right here. And this door right here leads into another room, as you can see here. But anyways, this right here is the 2 king-size beds, I believe those are. See, this bed right here is where I'm sleeping at right here, and this bed right here is where my roommate is sleeping. And that right there is my camcorder charger. You got your hotel telephone. And that right there, you got your alarm clock doubled as a plug. And now, as for the beds, it's really nice. I stayed here last night as well. We're staying here for the next 4 or 5 days. So, just so you know, I slept in yesterday. So, I had a really nice stay here. Anyways, this right here is your workstation right here. Pardon the mess. Oh, and look what I display right there. Texas Aggies. See, look at this room key right here. See? It matches the same color. See? Exact same as always. But anyways, this right here is a workstation, and look who that is right there. Look what I just pulled up on the channel. I'm sure y'all know Steven, right? Just in case if anyone wonders, which most of you guys know already, Steven originally changed his username. This was indeed Dover Elevator Fan 1, but I'm sure y'all know this already, but Steven has changed his username, so just don't want to make you guys confused, is to give Steven a shout out on his channel. This is something I normally don't do, so please do not ask for any shout outs, but Steven is the only exception I can make, so that way nobody gets confused on which is which. But like I said, this is indeed Dover Elevator Fan 1, as he just recently changed his username. So this is my shout out to Steven. Anyways, continuing on, you got your lamp right here. That right there is your switch. And as you look in the mirror, hi. And that outside here is a view. You get about a decent view at night. Make sure this thing is closed. This right here, you got your sitting area. Apart in the mess, these are my roommate's belongings. And this right here is your flat screen TV. You could see me in the mirror. Hi. This right here, it's a Samsung. So you got your TV stand right here, and those are my belongings over there. So anyways, that concludes the hotel room tour of the Hilton Anatole Hotel. I've noticed Steven from Dallas really loved this Hilton Anatole, and I am really, really glad I stayed at this hotel, because I'm actually here for a conference retreat. So I am not technically here with my family. I'm actually staying here with my friend, who's my roommate. So anyways, with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That will be it. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.